Hi, it's PS Tarot. Hello, Virgo placements. This is your general situation pagdating sa mga connection and the person on your mind. Okay, so tatlong segment, diba? So, tingnan natin ano bang meron. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, so yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, okay? If you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, yeah, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? And yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you! So, Virgo, in general, anong meron for you? Okay, Virgo placements. Excuse me. Okay. Virgos. What's for you in general? Oh, work. 8 of Pentacles. Being busy. Okay. What's with that? 10 of Swords in reversed. I think this is a routine. Okay, a routine na parang sabihin natin iba sa inyo, I'm sensing this resignation. Oo, resignation. Okay? Syempre, may mas gusto pa kayong mangyaring mas okay eh. Mas maganda. Some of you, ikaw itong magtitingin-tingin, mag-a-apply. Okay, online, some of you. That's specific. Pero yeah, this is like a routine na parang kailangan mong basagin. The Three of Wands. Yeah. Para mas lumawak, no? Para ma-avoid din natin yung boredom, sadness, kung ano man. Okay? Some of you may darating na magandang opportunity when it comes to work. What else, Virgo? The Lovers. This is connection in general, relationship. What's with that, Lovers? Death. Ace of Wands. Some of you are stepping in sa sabihin nating mas okay na connection. Yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. I'm seeing here investing. Okay. What's with this? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. This is long term. This is like, slowly but surely. No, hindi ko nakikita tong hindi kailangan madaliin. Hindi kailangan pilitin. Okay, it's like, hayaan mong mahinog ng kanya. No, kapag kasi ginawan mo ng kung ano man, pilit sa hinog, parang ganyan, maasim pa rin, no? So, for me, some of you, you're na connection na parang sa paganda, sa patibay. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. That's nice. That is nice. So, you have to heal. Death is here. Okay? Some of you, yeah, sabihin natin, ito na yung para sa'yo. I think. Pwedeng Gemini, Scorpio, and Earth sign. Could be any sign anyway. Or some of you, parating pa lang to. Okay? Ikaw itong parang nasa energy ng may nag-end. Or maybe you're healing. Okay, yeah. Healing. Healing. So, what else? Some of you, you're in doubt. Pagdating dyan sa connect mo. Kasi it's like, sabihin natin slow. No? Slowly but surely wins the race. So, parang ganyan. So, what else, Virgo? The World. Now, some of you may chance ng sabihin nating offer pagdating sa work, and this is like abroad. Okay, the justice is here. Sa paganda, no? Ang ganda ng reading mo, Virgo. Yeah. Strength is here in reverse. It's like walang pilit. Okay, wala kang masyadong gagawin. Strength in reverse. No effort. I don't know. It's like, sabihin natin from the divine. Okay, it's like, sabihin natin parang fate. Parang ganyan. Pero syempre, no? Hindi ko sinabing wala kang gawin. What's with the world? The Six of Swords in reversed. Hindi mo inaasahan to. Okay, darating to. Itong something na to, na magandang offer. Specifically, pwedeng work abroad. This is a work abroad. Kapag may something na parang hindi nagiging okay pagdating sa sitwasyon mo at work. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. Something na hindi nagiging okay. It needs patience. Wag pipilitin, wag hahabulin, parang ganon. Okay? That's nice. Four of Wands. Stability. Yeah, this is nice. Stability. Long term. Some of you, this is marriage. Some of you, this is house. Nice. Anyway, so there. That's for you. Claim it. So, tayo tumungo na sa situation in love. Ano bang meron? Ano bang mga parating? Check natin. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Dalawang situations in love. For Virgo, the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. Parang nakakita ka na ng long-term connection with this one. Yeah, you want family, you want to level things up with this person. You're worrying. Let's see. Yeah, again, the Ten of Cups. This is happy ever after. Yeah, may nakikita akong happy ever after. So, sa ngayon, it's like happy-happy lang tayo. Parang ganyan. Nothing to worry. Okay? Drop all the burdens. The Queen of Cups inversed. Some of you needs to heal. Okay, from a past trauma. Yeah. The Five of Pentacles. The Magician. The Emperor. The Five of Wands. I'm seeing here drama still sa past ng iba sa inyo na pwedeng maka-epekto, makasira sa kung anong merong sitwasyon kayo sa ngayon. Okay? Meron kayong mga kailangan ng alisan, bitawan, which is something or somebody na pwedeng nakakasira na or makakasira sa connection nyo sa ngayon. This is nice. Okay? Andyan yung sabihin natin, we have to accept things kung anong meron at wag nang magtanim ng sama ng galit if ever. Okay? Some of you, your person is so logical, like matalino, practical. Okay? So, minsan hindi ka makakaramdam ng sabihin nating emosyon coming from them. They're practical. Pero, the Ten of Cups, makakaramdam ka pa rin naman, syempre, ng lagi silang nandyan for you. Okay? Some of them, hindi sila clingy. Okay? So, huwag kang mag-aalala. Kasi mayroon ditong 5 of Pentacles. Baka mamaya kung ano isipin mo. So, what else? Ano pang situation meron? Ang mga Virgos in love. Oh no. Third parties. Oh my. Separation. Endings. What's with that? The 9 of Cups. Okay, so here comes the codependency. I need you. I need you. Can't live without you. Yeah, I miss you. Ikaw palagi naiisip ko. Wala nang iba. I'm seeing here codependency. The Ace of Swords is here in reversed. So there is a lot of confusion, a lot of sadness, unclear situations, unclear mind. No? So the pain is there. Hatred, I don't know, like confusion in general. You have to heal from this. Okay, you have to heal. The 9 of Cups is in the reversed. Yeah, the 5 of Swords in reverse. And the Magician in reversed. Ikaw lang yung parang makakapagdikta sa sarili mo kung anong dapat mong gawin at dapat mong maramdaman sa ngayon. Okay, namamanipula ka na lang ng emosyon sa ngayon. Yes, tao lang, nakasaktan ka, may emosyon ka, syempre. Pero, yeah, it's up to you. Kung ikaw itong mag-hold on, kung ikaw itong mag-stay, mga ganyang bagay. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so, some of you, Virgo, ikaw itong parang ayaw mo pa din. Ayaw mo pa rin bumitaw, nakatalikod ka pa rin. Ayaw mo pa rin harapin yung mga dapat harapin because of the, sabihin nating pain pa, or sabihin nating ayoko pang i-accept to. Yes. Eight of Swords. Trap. Stuck. Okay? Some of you, nasa situation ka na parang you're still stuck sa iyong past na pwedeng nakaka-apekto. If ever you're single, watching, nakaka-apekto to sa energy mo. When it comes to love, you're stuck. So, meaning to say, may chance na hindi ka pa rin makakakuha ng magandang energy when it comes to connection, relationship. Kasi parang energy mo nandyan pa rin. Kung nandyan pa rin sa past, like naka-stuck. Kung may mga dumarating man, lagi na lang palya. Lagi lang palyado. Oo. So, hindi tumatakbo ng maganda. No? Lagi na lang may sira. Lagi na lang may mali. It's like that. No? Okay? So, yeah. Anyway, so you have to heal. Yun lang. Okay, so tumuna tayo sa person on your mind, Virgo. The person on your mind. Who is this, Virgo? Who is this? The person on Virgo's mind. Okay. The 9 of Wands. Oh, beautiful, handsome, or physically attractive. Okay? Yeah, the 7 of Pentacles. You're invested. Some of them magaling humawak ng pera. They're like independent. Okay? Nakaka-intimidate tong taong to, sa totoo lang. 6 of Wands, you see them as somebody who is so successful maybe. Okay? Let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Ano pang kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Virgo? The 7 of Cups. And the 8 of Swords in reverse. Some of them, they're trying to escape from something. They're trying to escape. Yeah. The 8 of Swords in reverse. The Fool. Some of them, sabihin nating parang, yun nga, tumatakas sa kung ano man ang kailangan takasan. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Something. Excuse me. Tingnan natin. The Three of Pentacles. Five of Cups. Some of them sa totoo lang, meron pa silang mga hindi nagagawa. At I don't know kasi may chance na patong-patong na yung mga responsibilidad ng taong to at hindi niya magawa yung mga gusto niyang gawin. I don't know kung patungkol to sa kanya, sarili niya. Some of them, they're not healed. Still regretting over something, kung ano man yun, hindi pa sila healed from that. Ang daming plano ng taong to. Gusto na to ng mga tao na talagang iintindi rin sa kanila, makikigo with the flow sa mga gusto lang mangyari, iintindi sa kanila, something like that. Some of them, they're moody. Okay? Willing siya. There's that energy of willingness kung ano man ang meron. They're open. So, ano bang emosyon niya for you, Virgo? The Eight of Cups reversed. The Six of Cups. This is all about energy from past. From the past. Gusto nito ng assurance. Okay? Gusto niya ng something like, hindi mo makikita nitong taong ito ng parang sabihin nating, I mean, kung magiging clingy siya, dala yun ng trauma sa past. Okay? Kung magiging clingy siya, or open, may tendency rin na parang may takot to. Emotionally, sabihin nating dependent. Okay? I don't know if pagdating sa pera niya is they're independent, pero pagdating sa emosyon ng taong to, they're dependent. Kailangan nila ng somebody para silang, kailangan ko ng someone na para maging happy ako. Something like that. Okay, the Six of Cups. They see a strong connection with you though. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko dito is like hugot sa past. Hugot. Yeah, the Nine of Cups universe. Yeah, this is codependency. They're dependent sa mga tao na pwedeng mag-provide ng happiness sa kanila. Okay? They're not healed. They are not healed. What is their next action towards you? Ten of Cups. Yun. Okay. And that's happiness. Yeah, the Four of Wands. They want this long-term connection. If okay ang kasal sa inyo, then yeah, gusto niya yun, long-term. To be with you. Ayun ang gusto niya. To have stability. Okay? That's nice. Sana mag-improve. Sana mag-heal. Maybe, help each other para mag-heal. Okay? Let's see. Excuse me. Ano bang outcome/advice for you, Virgo? The Three of Wands reversed. And the Page of Cups. This is like pagtanggap. Opo. This is pagtanggap sa kung anong meron sa kanila, sa kanya. Okay? Ten of Wands, the Star. Healing. Healing. Okay? Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Pagtanggap. Forgiveness, some of you. Okay? If you have to heal, or maybe if you have to forgive somebody from your past, do it. Dapat ganun rin siya. Okay? So, yeah, the Six of Swords. Energy ito na parang mula sa magulo na sitwasyon papunta sa maayos at smooth flowing connection. Okay? Para magkaroon nun. Yeah, gusto niya naman kasi ng maganda, matibay na samahan with you. So, di magtulungan na lang kayo. Okay? Yeah, tandaan, hindi healed yung person. Okay. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs. Aries through Pisces for you, Virgo placements. Aries, they're confused. Taurus, they're juggler. Gemini, they're avoiding you. Cancer, they're planning. Leo, they're healing. Virgo, stubborn. Ego, pride. Libra, they're regretting something. Scorpio, they want to heal from this. Sagittarius, they're moving on. Pero nakikita ko dito, they're aloof or indecisive about staying or moving on. Parang ganyan. Capricorn, they have sneaky energy. Like, they have this lies, okay, deceptive energy surrounding them. Aquarius, they want reconciliation. They want to see you. Pisces, they're not open pagdating sa emotion. Okay? Feeling nila na paglaruan sila. Yeah. Some of them, they're open pagdating sa new connection, I think. Pero iba sa kanila, tingin ko, they're still open pagdating sa communication with you. Pero emotionally, yeah, sabihin nating they're trying to hide it. Okay? They're trying to hide. They will try to hide their emotions. Parang ganyan. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye!